You can create very information-rich visualizations by plotting multiple series on a single chart. For example, here we have a histogram showing the average activity within a chemical series by substituent at position R2. You may also want to see how the log P of the series varies by substituent at the same time. To add a series, select the Choose Chart Data button at the bottom of the visualization area. Then choose the Chart Series tab and click on the plus. From here, you can choose the chart type you'd like to use for the new series and the properties on the X and Y axes. In this case, we'll choose a line plot with R2 on the X-axis and log P on the Y-axis. By default, the new Y-axis is shown to the right of the plot. However, the new axes can be edited by selecting the Edit Axes button. The series can also be independently formatted by selecting the Format button. You can choose the series you want to format from the menu at the top of the Format dialog. In the final video in the data visualization series, we'll look at how to define more complex formatting ranges.